Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So I'm here to show you the Tonic craft kit number 10, the alphabet frame kit. I actually have forgot I had got this in the mail. This is the kit that I really don't care for, but I had already paid for it, so I might as well just suck it up and move on. Okay, so this time I got a binder to store the dies in. So this is craft 10, kit 10. So you got this alphabet, stamp that says happy birthday, congratulations. This stamp set that came with it. And these are the dies, the little ugly frames. So you got the little ugly to me frames right here, and then you got the alphabet, all the alphabets in the frame right there. Okay, and we got a spray bottle, mist spray bottle in this kit, the sticker, the Nouveau glue pen. Okay. Alright, we also have the Nouveau glitter accent, this blue color, which is, of course, you already know I love that. We got this color in, this is a shimmer powder. It's Atlantis Blast, that color. We also got these mini crystal drops in English mustard. I wish we could buy these in a set with that tiny. And then this one is called ripened pumpkin. So we got those right there. And then you got a free gift. Okay, so the free gift is this craft knife right here. This thing looks so heavy duty. Just a craft knife. That was free gift, I do believe. Let's see. Yeah, I guess. Okay. Yeah. I don't remember them showing that in the reveal. And the cardstock comes in this right here. And they have some beautiful papers. Oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous. This pretty gold color. This is just regular. I think we get 10 sheets. Look at that. Oh, that is so yummy. Oh. Look at that. And the texture on this is just, it reminds you of like a headboard for your bed, like a bedroom headboard. And then this one. 2, 4, 6, 7. I thought we got more sheets than that. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, yeah, only 7 sheets of cardstock. Okay, so that is it. Like I said, I love everything else in the cardstock, in the kit. I just didn't care for the little ugly dies, but that is my opinion, honey. But you know, I may can get, you know, do something with it. I don't know. But I like everything else. I did keep my subscription. So I've already saw the Christmas kit that's coming out. I really didn't care for that one either, but it was better than this one. So I just show them each month until I decide to cancel my subscription, because I'm not going to continue to pay for something that I don't like. Alright, but that is it, you guys. I just wanted to show that kit real quick. Yeah, that's it. Bye.